Scooby. Scooby, you alright?
I want them at everything with too.
Today's May the 5th, 2018. Planted those tomatoes yesterday. You saw that in the previous video. I'm going to try to put 2 rows of corn in right here today. See if I can't get it ready. That rain I was talking about in the last video, it ain't happened yet. So I'm going to have to do something. I also got some purple potatoes that I'm going to try and plant. I had never had no purple potatoes before. So let me see if I can clean out these 2 rows a little bit. Let's see if we can't get something planted in them. Got my trusty Earthway planter here. And a corn plate in there. I hope this is enough for 2 rows. I need at least 2 rows. There you are in the garden again. Hey, we're gonna plant something out there, you know that? He ain't gonna move. See if I can get 1 more row of corn in. I need somewhere to plant these blue potatoes. Never had no blue potatoes before. I'm gonna put them right here so I can keep an eye on them on the edge of it real good. I'm not gonna cut them up and I'm gonna stick the whole potato in. All that straw and leaves and stuff I was raking back out of those other rows before I planted that corn in and the tomatoes. When the plants come up, I'm gonna put it back on them. Wow, these have been around a while. They got big old sprouts on them. a little late on planting potatoes for me. But I don't pay no attention to that too much. Pretty close together. That means more fertilizer. Okay, in the previous video, when I planted those tomatoes, I said it's supposed to be raining like 1 o'clock the next day. It ain't raining. It's already like late in the evening the next day. So we're gonna have to do something. They need water, the corn needs water, everything I planted needs water. Half the garden's planted. I got a few cucumbers to plant at a trellis I got up here, but other than that, half of it's planted. I appreciate you watching the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a big thumbs up if you would. And leave a comment below and let us know what you think about it. What's your gardening plans? You got anything planted? What are you planting? Appreciate it a lot. Thank you. Till we meet again, have a good day.